Chapter 83. The Defrauders. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Woe to the defrauders, those who, when they receive by measure from men, demand full measure, and when they have to give by measure or weight to men, give less than is due. Do they not think that they will be resurrected for reckoning on a great day? The day when all mankind will stand before the Lord of mankind, jinn, and all that exists? No, truly the record of the disbelievers is preserved in Sijjeen. And what will make you know what Sijjeen is? An inscribed register. Woe on that day to those who deny the day of recompense. And none can deny it, except every transgressor beyond bounds, and sinner. When our verses are recited to him, he says, "Tales of the ancients." No, but on their hearts is the stain of the ill which they used to earn. No, surely they will be veiled from seeing their Lord that day. Then surely they will enter and taste the burning flames of hell. Then it will be said to them, "This is what you used to deny." No, surely the record of the pious is preserved in Illiyyoon. And what will make you know what Illiyyoon is? An inscribed register, to which bears witness to those nearest to Allah. Surely the pious who fear Allah and avoid evil will be in delight, on thrones, gazing at all things. You will recognize in their faces the radiance of delight. They will be given pure sealed wine to drink, the seal of which will be the smell of musk, and for this let all those strive who wish to strive. It will be mixed with tasneem, a spring from which drink those nearest to Allah. Surely, during the worldly life, those who committed crimes used to laugh at those who believed. And whenever they passed by them, they used to wink one to another in mockery. And when they returned to their own people, they would return, jesting. And when they saw them, they said, "Surely they have indeed gone astray." But they had not been sent as guardians over them. But on this day, those who believe will laugh at the disbelievers, on high thrones, looking at all things. Are the disbelievers not paid fully for what they used to do?